How's it going, guys? Red here with Red Knows How, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys two ways that you can use a VPN or download a VPN on your iPhone. These are very easy ways. One way that you can do that is just go to your settings and go in and just search VPN. In your settings, it'll pull up this right here, VPN and device management. You'll just click on that and it'll pull up that. You'll just click and add configurations. And now a lot of you will not have these numbers, so don't worry about that. But if you do have these numbers, that will be a very simple way to do that. Another way that you can do it is go into your app store and just search for VPNs. You may want to do prior research and stuff like that to see best VPNs and stuff like that. Some of these are free options, some of these are paid, and you'll just go ahead and download whichever one that you like. And then once that is downloaded, what you will be able to do is, let's see here. And once that is downloaded, you'll be able to go in and like I said, a lot of these are free. It will ask you for premium features. What you can do is just click like an X on the top right corner, or go ahead and proceed with ads. You can do that. And then once it's loaded in, you'll just click the power button or whatever button similar to this on any other app to activate the VPN. Click allow. Okay, so it'll ask to add configurations. You'll put in it might be different for other apps, but you'll put in a passcode and stuff like that for configurations to your phone. It may play an ad or so, but it'll go ahead and connect. In another way that you can know if it is connected, go ahead and pull down on the top right corner of your phone, and it'll show VPN right there. Now if you want to disconnect it, all you'll do is just do the exact same thing. Click on that, hit OK, and it may play an ad just like that, but you can wait for the ad to finish, or you can just skip video, click X, and then to show it is disconnected, you pull down on the top right corner again and show that the VPN symbol is no longer there. I hope that was helpful. If it was, I hope I earned your like and your subscription. But just remember, if you don't know how, Red knows how.